the Democratic Alliance.
Good morning, Chair. Sorry, my connection is not good, so I'm not switching on my camera and I keep losing you. And good morning to everybody. Chair, I think we should take the view that the members of the committee should exhaust their time, and if they have exhausted their time and there's time over, it should go to the alternates if they have anything to add. So, yeah, that's our view.
What is your view, Honorable Breitenbach?
Oh, I've just said so. We will exhaust our time. The main members will exhaust their time. And if there's any time left over from the time, if we don't use all our time, then the alternates can have the time that's over.
Yeah. Yeah, what you say is not different from what the ANC and the MKP are saying. To say that if, let's say you have 30 minutes yourself as a member of the committee.
Chair, just we note the security plans that were presented to us, and on the issue of alternates, I think we must just admit that our National Assembly rules fall short in this regard, because if you read the first rule, it says that members of Parliament can participate in any committee, and I don't know why the ad hoc committee would not fall into that category. And there's no rule specifically on the participation of members and alternates in the committee. So I think that the presentation that Andile has given is not as sound as it should be, because there is no rules really that exclude any members from participating, or NA members rather, from participating. And also our terms of reference can't be, they have to be within the rules of Parliament. But having said that, Chair, we also shouldn't come from the premise of trying to silence members of Parliament. They represent the people. This is the People's Parliament as well. I do understand that we don't want to have the committee go on and have unnecessarily time on frivolous issues, but the point is that if we use Parliament portfolio committees as a base, this is not our debates or declarations, etc., in the National Assembly where parties can talk on for hours and hours. We literally are going to be questioning members. So for us to be spending this amount of time discussing the participation of alternates, I think it's unnecessary. We don't have a crisis in portfolio committees in terms of us asking questions when we have presentations there. The input that the alternates must be allocated a fair amount of time. We take that, and yeah, we support the submissions that, the Chair, use your discretion. But when we do call you to order, Chair, you must also just hear us out as well in that regard. But limiting time to like 5 minutes or 2 minutes to alternates, I don't think that is in the interest of the public. Thank you, Chair.
The IFP.